We've used fire to cook, forge tools, and fuel engines, but now it's shaping the future of nanotechnology. Scientists have figured out how to use fire to create nanoparticles, tiny materials 1,000 times smaller than a human hair, that could change how we treat disease, sense danger, and build advanced tech. Through a process called flame spray pyrolysis, fire transforms metals into ultra-fine particles used in things like breath sensors, cancer treatments, even in the tires on your car. Unlike traditional methods that are slow and expensive, fire-based production is fast, scalable, and surprisingly safe. That means nanoparticles once too pricey for industry, like quantum dots, could become affordable. But there's a catch. Fire also creates harmful soot. Luckily, the same fire-based tech can help us study and reduce pollution too. From medicine to clean energy, fire may just be the hottest tool in nanotech's future.